You're probably wondering why Facebook ads seems to be working for everybody else but your business. Welcome to the show. This is Social Media Love. I'm Angélique, Binet, the founder of Social Media Love, and I help women entrepreneurs to unlock their inner rock star on social media with paid and free traffic, which means that the content you put on social media every day really is the heart of the matter when it's time to play ads. Before we go and deep dive into Facebook ads, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Leave me your comments with your questions because I want to answer all your questions. So how Facebook ads can help business. Number one, the first thing I'm going to share with you is that ads makes you very visible. It's that simple, especially Facebook and Instagram ads, any ads on any social media platforms. One of the easiest way to become visible is to play ads. And on Facebook, there is 3 types of ads that can help you to become more visible. Some are related to videos, some are related with the engagement when people like, comment, and share, or very simply, like there are some tools in ads that helps you to go beyond your regular audience. Those are, I call them, our kind of ongoing, fertilizing audience growing. It's like a garden. If you don't like gardening, well, this one is doesn't get your hands dirty, but I know you don't want to waste money. Believe me, as soon as you put $1 in any videos or interaction or post that you do, you are building audiences. So this is why it's key that right now, even if you don't run ads yet, that you're consistent with your content, that you try to have conversation with your people, because when it's time to run ads, listen to this. This is where the magic happens, and this is where everybody either drop the ball or run to success. So let's dive in. So I said number 1, visibility. Okay, I'm gonna write this. Number 1, it's your visibility. And those ads are actually 3 types of campaign. There are engagement campaign to help people to engage with you. There are the video views so that they watch your videos. This is why I want you to commit to 1 video a week at least, live and recorded. And number 3 that I like to use a lot is reach, which helps you reach more people. Okay, those are kind of your new babies, like they are your incubator. Okay, next round where I say, either you drop the ball or you go for success, it's actually what we call the retargeting. So when you hear retargeting, it sounds like very nerd, but not at all. I want to simplify things for you, okay? So let's say that you are in the front porch of your house, right? And that morning you're having a coffee and then someone passed by walking with their dog and they say hi. Say hi, they respond to you. Then the next morning they walk again and then they say, oh, I like your rose bushes here. Oh, thank you. Next day they pass again and then they can't completely stop to say, how are you? Tell me more about that neighborhood. They want to learn more about you. And maybe the following morning it's raining, but they didn't know it would be raining. So you run and then give them an umbrella. And they say, thank you so much. So next day they come to your home, they ring the bell and they say, here's your umbrella. Thank you so much for yesterday. And then they see, oh, what a beautiful home you have, and you tell them, well, I'm a home decor. Oh my God, I've been looking for remaking my bedroom forever. Could you help me? Oh yes, I have this free checklist for you. Bang, you give them a free checklist, and then next time they buy something from your service. This is kind of what Facebook ads are. You build your visibility every day. Unless you have huge budget, you can just run ads, visibility all the time. And then, even with small budgets, you can still post consistently, have conversation with people, and then put some money behind this so that when you're ready with retargeting, so retargeting could be with ads that announce a new product, a new service you have, a new free webinar, a new email list, whatever, we can actually serve those ads to people who already pass by in front of your house, okay? So this is kind of the principle of how Facebook ads help. So now that you understand how, the machine of posting on social media helps you build audiences for your ads, you may wonder, well, what should I post about? This is why I have that free guide for you that gives you 5 types of content you can actually use every day to inspire you and just keep showing up. I hope this helps. And if you know someone who could benefit from this tutorial, please let them know and leave me a comment, because I want our community of social media lovers to grow and reach to more women like you. Ciao, ciao.